Let's see how we can make our lives just a little bit easier when we use the exponent rule for dividing numbers. I've got a little mini question here, and let's see if we can simplify it. We've got 2 to the exponent 5, and it's being divided by another 2, 2 to the exponent 2, or 2 squared. Can we simplify this using an exponent rule? Well, yes we can. And the reason we can is that we have identical bases. Just like the exponent rule for multiplying numbers, we have to have the same base. So this symbol must match this symbol, whether it's a number or variable. And it does, it's a 2 in both cases. So the rule is pretty simple. I just subtract the two exponents, like that, 5 minus 2, which of course is 2 to the 3. And 2 to the 3 is 8. 8 looks a lot simpler than this big mess right there. Let's look at another example using variables. X to the 7 multiplied with y to the 4, and it's all divided by x to the 3 multiplied by y to the 2. Can I use the same rule to simplify this? Well, it turns out, yes, I can. Now, while I can't put the top together using a multiplication rule because x does not match y, these two symbols are not the same, if I look downwards, I do have matching symbols. I have an x to the 7, and it's divided by x to the 3. So I can simplify that. X 7 minus 3 multiplied with y, and I have a 4 and a 2, so I can say multiplied by y 4 minus 2. I'm just subtracting the exponents for symbols that match. And we have x to the 4 multiplied by y to the 2. And that's as far as I can go because, again, these two symbols do not match, the x and the y. So grab some paper and a pencil, and let's combine both of these two examples into a practice problem for you that looks just like this. 3 to the exponent 5 multiplied by y to the 6, and it's divided by 3 to the exponent 3 multiplied by y to the 4. So try the dividing rule. In simplified form, we end up with 9y squared. And we got that by subtracting the exponents for the 3's, 5 and 3, and subtracting the exponents for the y's, 6 and 4, to arrive at 3 squared and y squared. And then we just said 3 squared was 9, so 9y squared.